my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video I thought I would take you along on our evening routine. It is about 4:45. We all just got home. Danny just got home with my oldest son. He just got back from the gym. Everybody is upstairs getting homework done. Michaela is still at work, and she works as a CNA, so she went to work after school today. And I just got home, so I am actually I think I'm gonna start tonight with a workout. I try really, really hard to get my workout in whenever I can. Sorry, the animals are taking a drink. We all just got home and out of the car, so excuse me. So I am actually going to go change my pants. I'm in jeans today. It was like a relaxed day at work. Wednesdays we have like Hoodie Wednesday, so I wore my kindness sweatshirt. This is from Old Navy, and I try to link it for you guys, but I guess they don't have the kindness one anymore. I'm so sorry. But I'm just gonna go put on some different pants. I mean, I could totally work out in my jeans, that's not a problem, but I'm just gonna go change my pants, and I'm just gonna get started with my evening routine. Right now it's winter, so things are definitely a little bit calmer than they're going to be come the spring. Spring is when like all of the sports get kick-started again, but right now we don't have any sports during the week. We only have sports on the weekends, and it's really, really nice. So nobody really has to be anywhere during the week, and that's really, really great. So it just makes for a much calmer, relaxed evening, which I really love because I feel like winter is just designed to kind of be like some downtime. So if you are not aware, I am a full-time school counselor, and my husband is a full-time special education teacher. And right now we are currently in school. So our evening routines during the school year definitely look different than our evening routines during summer. And so right now our evening routines consist of homework, getting prepared for the next day. And so that's what we're going to be focusing on today, is showing you what our evening routine looks like for a school day. Because obviously when it's Friday, Saturday, it looks different, or for, you know, this week, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because we have Monday off. So let's go ahead and maybe talk a little less. And I figured I'll take you along with dinner and just kind of talk to you a little bit about what we do to make every day run a little bit smoother. It all starts, your next day, your perfect day starts the night before. I know that sounds crazy, but your perfect day starts the night before. It has to start with preparing as much as you can the night before, so you don't lose your total mind the next day. So let's go ahead and get a workout in, and I'll take you along for the rest of the evening. I'm so glad you guys are here. First things first, it's super important for me to get my body moving and get those calories burned. So I am going to do a quick 25-minute walk fit exercise. It's an app that I use that helps me to move my body, uses my own body weight. It's a mixture of some cardio and also some weight training where you're doing squats, things like that. So, and in the background, you'll see Danny. He's just working on prepping dinner for me so I can get that cooking as soon as I'm done. Once my workout is over, it's time to cook dinner for tonight. We were going with something super simple. I was just going to make chicken cutlets along with a vegetable. Tonight we're going with asparagus and also a family favorite, homemade mac and cheese. I do believe that I have a cook with me for this mac and cheese, so I'll try to find that and link it for you down below. But we're going to go ahead and get dinner cooked. I do try to cook dinner 5 out of 7 nights, sometimes 6 out of 7 nights. We will do a clean out the fridge leftover night where we just finish off what we have in there, so we're not throwing away a bunch of food. And sometimes we will do pizza on a Friday or Chinese food or go out to dinner. And on Sundays, we go to my mother-in-law's for dinner most of the time. Sometimes we host over here. So I do try to cook dinner most nights, and it's just a great way for us to come around the table and make sure that we're having some kind of valuable connection every single day. One very important piece of our evening plan that doesn't take place at night is meal planning. I try every weekend to have a game plan for the week. Some weeks, if we're really, really busy, especially come the spring season, I will meal plan depending on what we have going on, and it's very specific for every single night. And then other seasons, like right now in the winter where things are a little bit calmer, I'll meal plan for meals throughout the week, but we can pick and choose what it is we're looking for that individual night. We don't have to have things planned for that specific evening. During the busier months, I'll plan a lot more crock pot meals and things that I can prep ahead of time. But since right now we have more time at home, it's nice to just slow things down in the evening. Another key tip to help our evenings run nice and smooth is to clean as we go. This is so very important. As you'll see here in this clip, I've got my son Ryan here in the kitchen with me. He is starting his chores by emptying the dishwasher. That's one of his things he does every single day. And I'm going to go ahead and help him since I'm here in the kitchen, but cleaning as we go, putting things in the dishwasher as I'm cooking, as I'm finishing up, just helps to make the night run smoother. Other kids are upstairs getting homework done, taking showers, that kind of thing. Always multitasking. It just helps to make the night run so much smoother and gives us a little bit of extra time together as well. This has nothing to do with my evening routine, but figured I would give you this fun little serving tip when it comes to feeding larger families or even just any family. If you're serving chicken cutlets, cut them into bite-sized pieces like this. Well, not bite-sized, but smaller pieces. And it really does help make your chicken go a long way. We have appetites ranging from, teenage 16-year-old boy to third grade little man and me, who really doesn't eat a ton. And it's sometimes difficult just to hand over an entire piece of chicken. So cutting it like this allows for you to take what you want, and it just makes it so much easier to serve everybody exactly what they need. Once dinner is done, it's time to come together and sit around the table and enjoy a meal. I love dinner time in our house. It's loud. There's a lot going on, lots of laughs, personal jokes, lots of razzing each other. We do a lot of sharing highs and lows of the day, and we try to come around this dinner table most nights of the week, especially during this winter season when we're not jam-packed with sports. Afterward, it's time to finish up our evening chores. So I've got my older son here cleaning up the kitchen. Usually we divide up the kitchen work. One person cleans up the kitchen, puts away the food. Another person does the dishes and loads the dishwasher. Another person empties the dishwasher. It just works out really well. Since there's 7 of us, we can share the load. And we use this skylight calendar to check off when we get things done. It has everybody's chores in it, including just daily to-dos like homework, cleaning out your backpack, brushing your teeth in the morning and the evening. It's just a really great way to keep track of all of those things. And at the end of the week, when it's time to pay up for chores, I can look back and see what everybody got done. And it even holds on to ones that are overdue. I really love that. Once all the chores are done and everybody has gone to bed, or at least gone to lay down in their rooms, it's time for me to snuggle in for some editing and emails. Every single night, I sit down at my computer for a good 1, 2, sometimes 3 hours. And this night I was there roughly about 2 hours. My kids all go upstairs for bed around 8 o'clock, and they don't always go to bed at that time, but that's what time they all go upstairs and start to relax, watch some TV, read a book, just kind of, have some downtime. And this is when I answer comments or respond to emails, plan out content, and it's where I kind of check into my second job. When I'm done, it's time to close it all down and get packed up for the next day. I try really hard to pack up all the things I need, put away my computer, bring my laptop, my planner, get my coffee cups ready, fill up my water bottle, all of that stuff, so it's all ready to go for the morning. The other thing I forgot to film, but I wanted to mention, is that every night, everybody picks out their clothes for the next day, including me. We all just make sure we have what we need, make sure if we've got spirit days or sports going on that we have what we need. It's just so much easier when we do it the night before. Then it's time to clean up my skin and do all of my evening skincare. I'm trying really hard to slow down aging as much as possible. So this is the lineup I have for the evening. I will have everything linked for you down below. I believe most everything you can get on Amazon. So I'll link it all for you down below. It's really not super complicated. I'm just using a retinol, an eye cream, a night cream. And then I also take my evening supplements. So I try to finish every single night with Calm. This is a magnesium supplement. This just helps me sleep. It also helps keep me regular, and it also helps with my stress level. I have a very high stress job. My day job is a school counselor. It's exhausting. It's stressful. It's a lot of problem solving. And taking a magnesium supplement has been very, very helpful. So I do this every night, and it definitely helps me get some sleep, helps me manage stress every day a little bit better. So again, I'll have that linked for you down below if you're looking for a supplement for yourself. We're going to wrap up the evening with some CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream on my hands, and it's time to call it a night. Danny was already in bed, and it's time to go to sleep. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.